Welcome! It's a great day to be a miner. In today's video, we got a lot of cool new hardware to open, plus we got a special tip about Newegg combos that you don't want to miss. Let's stop gabbing, let's spin that intro. Pew! Hey, how are ya? We got a lot of cool new stuff to open. Let's start gabbing and let's tear into it. Let's make a little space first and then we're gonna open this hardware. This hasn't even been a week and I'm already stacked back up on hardware, so I have to do another unboxing so I can get this stuff open so I can get it mining. All right, let's start with the best item I got first. I just picked this up at Best Buy the other night, hence the pretty silver bag. Let's see what's in the bag. What's in the bag? All right, Brad, let's check it out. All right. I hit this from an online drop the last Thursday. This is the RTX 3070 Founders Edition. This is a beautiful card. The MSRP on this card is only $499.99 and then plus your tax. These are amazing cards. I actually didn't do anything special to get this one. I was trying for the drop. I missed the first wave. I thought there was no chance I was getting anything, and I just kept at it, and about 15, maybe 20 minutes into the drop, another wave had hit, and I just got lucky and I got an early time on this one, and I checked it out. I couldn't believe it. RTX 3070 Founders, beautiful card, great silicon. All right, so as you can see, most of these are from Newegg. Let's open the one that's not from Newegg. This bag here, I ordered it from Amazon. These are version 009S risers. The company that they came from, I'll list it on the screen because I can't pronounce it. And I thought, hey, these have pretty good reviews. They seem like very good risers. They're version 009S again. And they didn't even put them in a box. They had them in an big anti-static bag with 6 individually packaged. And they slapped a shipping label on it and they stuck it in the mail, and it traveled in the mail getting beat up by the mail system just like this. Not okay. Put electronics in boxes, not even any padded envelope. What are you doing, guys? What are you doing? All right, let's move on. All right, this one isn't from Newegg, so we're gonna open it. And you know what time it is? RGB knife, engage. All right, this one came from EVGA Direct. Let's take a look. Get out of here, box. I didn't hit the camera that time. This would be a 650 watt semi-modular gold power supply. This was on EVGA's website for $50. Can't beat that deal. It's a great power supply, very versatile, great to have around. Moving on. So it looks like almost all of these are Newegg. Let's take this one on the end and open it first. I might have just turned it upside down, but we'll see. This one's actually from Newegg too, sort of. It was actually a drop ship as part of a combo. So this is the ASUS Tuf 550 watt bronze power supply, and it came with a combo, which is one of these cards. So we'll open the other cards. Insider tip with Newegg: they say you cannot return a combo. However, if the combo ships and invoices as 2 separate items, I have successfully returned the second item twice. This one also did that. This came with a separate invoice and charged me $109 separately from the $500 on the graphics card. I'm gonna send this back, and I bet you they're gonna give me the full $110. $110 for a bronze 550 watt power supply is not a good deal. I'll send this back and I'm gonna get a full credit. Let's move on. All right, so we already know that one of these at least is a graphics card as part of a combo, and I believe this is the card that goes with it. So let's see what card we actually have here. Yep, this is the card that came with it. I actually hit the Newegg Shuffle. This is the RTX 3060 Asus Dual, a very solid little card. It is a low hash rate, and I'm not 100% what I'm going to do with it yet, but $600 for the combo off of the Newegg Shuffle. I couldn't pass it up even if I wanted to. So we're going to put it in something. We're going to use it as maybe in a test rig, and then that way we have a low hash rate card sitting around to do the testing with, because my whole farm is full hash rate cards. Moving on. So then what's in these ones? This one's really odd because it's super thick and it's rounded on top. So let's see what Newegg did here to make it such an odd shape. Well, it's just the way they packaged it, to be honest. They put the bubbles right on top. This is a beautiful little card here. This is the RX 6600 XT PowerColor Red Devil Edition. This is a super nice card. And how I got this one, it actually dropped on their site and it was $520 plus shipping, which isn't great for a 6600, but it isn't bad either. And it's a top model and it wasn't part of a combo. So I'll take that deal all day long. These are great hashing cards. Next, moving on, what do we got here? This is probably part of another combo, so let's see what's in the box. Oh, what's in the box? All right. What's in here? What's in here? It's a little, it's telling me $10 off at neweggauto.com. If you've ever shopped at Newegg Auto, make sure to comment down below. I haven't met anyone that actually has bought auto parts through Newegg, so that would be interesting. Comment down below, tell us about the experience. All right, what's in here? What's in here? This is a RX 6600 non-XT PowerColor Hellhound. I actually had a 6700 XT Hellhound, and it was a beautiful card, really solid, pretty expensive at over $800. Beautiful glowing fans, as this one does as well, but it only has 2 fans. A really nice card. I can't wait to put this in to the test bench and get you the nerdy numbers on it. And finally, this was part of a combo, so of course this has to be the motherboard that goes with it. And they had a couple of different options for motherboards to get with this that only had $10–15 difference, and I went with the motherboard that was $10 more that I can actually use down the road. So let's take a look here. This is a B360 D3 GSM Gigabyte board. And the reason I picked this one is I went and looked it up and looked up the PCIe lanes. This has 12 PCIe lanes. That means you can easily have your 8 graphics cards on here. And it is a standard Intel socket. So I could slot in one of my G5420s that I have laying around. So then I could slap in a 1-to-4 PCIe adapter. Check out my other video on that above. And then this could easily turn into a 6-card rig. I already have all the other parts. So there you go. So quick recap on this week's haul. I got an EVGA 650 gold power supply. I got an RTX 3070 Founders from Best Buy. I got this from EVGA Direct. I got these all from Newegg. This was a combo with a B360 Gigabyte board, micro ATX, and a Hellhound 6600 non-XT card. I got a PowerColor Red Devil RX 6600 XT model, and I picked up a Asus Dual RTX 3060 with a Bronze 550 power supply that I am going to send back and work the system, because if it ain't sold together, it ain't a combo, Newegg. You're taking back this power supply. That's all I got for you. Let's cut to that outro.